So it's 2019. It's what, January 3rd? 3rd, yeah. And I was looking at the weather forecast last night. All the Christmas visits are done. And I noticed the forecast is for like 80 and calm winds. Of course, it's a little breezy right now, but who knows? I said, we gotta go fishing. So at midnight, I threw a message to the captain here, and he said, let's go. So we're gonna take all our hard-fought-won hubris about where we think the fish are and try to apply it yet again for like the 4th year in a row. And while we think we understand things better out here, I don't think we really, we haven't translated that knowledge into good fishing luck. Today we'll see.
We catch a few though.
Yeah.
It's never a total bust.
Right. So here we go. This house here really hasn't changed in about 3 or 4 years, so I think
It's abandoned, basically.
well, I don't think it's abandoned. They just don't use their lanai anymore.
There's a camper parked out front.
Yeah.
It's never moved, and the storm shutters are closed on the house.
Right.
So there's nobody there.
But we don't want to tell the world
Some
that.
poor old 70-something-year-old person had a stroke.
Yep.
Nobody cares.
But we don't want to look that far ahead into our own crystal ball, thank you. But while you may be enduring sleet, snow, and single-digit temperatures up there, just be glad to know that we are storing up new life down here, and we'll send it to you via the Gulf Stream in about 3 months. But in the meantime, we're keeping it for ourselves. So we're headed out past the end here of Route 40, follow your dream highway. We're going out to that point out there on the first Spoils Island. See how we do. The captain is fishing the point down there. And I'm out here kind of toward the channel with a mud minnow on about 3 feet down from the bobber. See what happens. Here, ospreys. All right, there was nothing at that first Foils Island, so we came out to what we have come to call Redfish Island. And the tide's pretty much got it all buried. And I'm still fishing a mud minnow off the 3-foot end of a bobber, waiting for something. In the meantime, I've got a leftover Christmas honey baked ham sandwich. Yum. It tastes 10 times better than any fish. But we'll love our fish if we catch them. So seeing how this is our first mission after Christmas, and whoa, something big just jumped there over there. Our first mission after Christmas and the holidays and whatnot, everybody's house is full of junk. And the captain just pawned this off on me, and I'm gonna eat it. All right, I survived my Hostess Twinkie, and now we're well out in the water trolling. We're going over to some other spoils banks where there could be action. And we both got lures out the back of the boat going about 3-4 miles an hour, and that's been a successful strategy for a Spanish mackerel. But it doesn't happen every day. Well, the trolling got us a big fat 0. And there are a lot of fishermen out here, and they're all pretty much hitting the dry holes today. The water's just a hair under 70 right here. And we're at this Spoils Island between the State Canal Passage and the Coal Canal Passage. And I think we're fishing live bait right up against the island here. That sometimes is fruitful. So far, nobody's gotten a bite. Well, we just got our first bite off this island. I couldn't get the camera out fast enough to record it, but something snagged on the captain's line. We've been working this side here. We'll see what happens. We got one. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. It's like a trout. Nope. Oh, you lost your... Wait. I'll get the net. Well, we're going to have to start the motor. All right. His lure broke away. Ah, crap. All right. GoPro's got to sit down. Oh. I'll take your
boat over to it.
All right.
Might almost be a keeper.
All right. His main line broke away from the bobber. So armed with net, we're gonna go over there and try to retrieve the whole cotton picking thing. I hope the guy doesn't do a deep dive on us.
Something's going on here.
Oh, that's mine. Stop the motor. Chaos is breaking out. I left my line in the water. Oh yeah. Okay, now we got trouble. I gotta turn this on. All right, we're zeroing in on this guy. John's gonna try to grab it.
Straighten out, left, left, left.
How's that?
A little more to the right.
All right, there he is.
Down.
He's going down. Okay, here comes.
Left. Right. Go right more.
I'm turning, except it's turning, the rear of the boat's kicked out. Dang. Here, let me try to back up into it. Okay, here we go. We got him. Woo! There's a nice big trout. Man, that was all right. What total chaos. Okay.
Motor off. Look at that. 14 1/4. Wait. Can we squeeze? No, we can't quite squeeze 15 out of him.
Yeah. So you caught him with a big gulp, huh? Twice.
Nice trout.
Whew. There, we play fair. 14 and a half, he's not 15. What chaos. And we got my line wrapped around the prop too, so that was fun.
This damn thing just broke right the metal.
Sort of drifting, aren't we?
Yeah, the line hasn't hooked up yet. We are still going forward. So we left the scene of the chaos, and we moved over to the south side of this spoils island, trying to anchor. And we've got something going in the water here, but we'll see.
There's something big in the water there. Porpoise or something sticking up.
Oh, yeah.
Sharks.
Several of them. Well, in 4K, we can probably see. Oh yeah, there's some porpoises over there, and they're kind of heading this way. Ooh, they're birds diving too. There could be some action in that channel over there. All right, they are porpoises. They're kind of near, but with this wide-angle GoPro, you can't really see them. But that's a good sign. They're right over there. There they go. They're kind of loafing. It's late in the afternoon, so they're probably afternoon nap. Well, I was
Another 13 1/2 incher.
Oh, nice little trout. That's a pretty fish. Illegal.
13 1/2.
Take him back. Okay.
Trout are here.
We found him on the north side of the Spoils Islands. Well, it's the waning hours here in the afternoon, and we're back to trolling here in the big canal cut. So I've got a big lure dangling off the back of the boat, and we're doing about 4 or 5 miles an hour here. We'll see what happens. Usually it's nothing, but this is the mackerel strategy, Spanish mackerel. Well, we're trolling, but we're about to get trolled badly here by Captain Josh. Oh, yeah, he's being good. He's being a good boy. He slowed down for us. There he goes. Clankety clank. Here comes the shrimp boats. Back here at the last little spoils island, a funky little boat going by. John is out on the point here at the last spoils island, right across from the boat lodge. Because we've had luck there before. Uh-oh, here comes the surf's up, Eddie. Tsunami is here. Yow. Woo! Yeah, we're good. No problem. There's a pod of dolphins right over there. They were having a mullet fest, I think. Not the kind you wear on your head, but the, oh boy, they're moving away. They're fast here. Okay, bye, dolphins. Well, that's it for our first mission of the new year. And chaos reigned supreme. Should be interesting to see what this looks like.
I wouldn't say that. We had one chaotic incident with a line breaking.
Yeah, it was total chaos for a while there. And it was almost like an airline crash where there wasn't one thing that went wrong. It was a series of things that went wrong. And the next thing you know, you're all, in case it wasn't obvious, we had a line wrap around the propeller rather effectively. But we recognized it and undid it. So anyway, that's it. We're done. We got no keepers. We'll confess to that. So that's it. Good night, everyone.